Let's make a mutua and Nkate, rice balls and groundnut soup. This was one of my favorite Ghanaian dishes growing up, and it's delicious. First, blend your aromatics, onion, garlic, ginger, and Scotch bonnet and set aside. Season stewing hen or mature chicken with salt and pepper and place into a pot with pieces of smoked turkey. Pour your blended aromatic mixture over your poultry and steam. In the meantime, boil tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, and onion in a pot, and when cooled slightly, blend until smooth and sieve this mixture over your steamed chicken and turkey to remove some pulp. Add water and simmer on low. Next, you're going to blend all natural sugar-free peanut butter with tomato paste and water. Pour into a pan and heat until smooth. Pour this into your pot and simmer until the oil in your soup separates and forms a layer on top. The rice balls are made from cooked jasmine rice, kneaded and shaped into balls. To serve, scoop hot, tasty groundnut soup with your rice balls, and many Ghanaians also add boiled okra to their soup. Dig in and enjoy.